The sign outside says this place is a bakery with a special mission. The signs inside are inspirational, but for Lera, the Lera in Love Lera Bakery, the mission is simple.
The motto here is to never give up.
Lera was adopted from Russia as a baby, a special needs child growing up with epilepsy. But why should that stop her?
She always had a strong will. She did. From the moment, we met her, she was my spirited, still is my spirited child.
So last year, Lera and her mom and dad and sister opened a bakery in North Haven. The idea? Sell baked goods from scratch. The mission? Do it all with employees, all who have special needs.
There is no real meaningful work for them, and it's all about what they can do. And with the right environment, with the right coaches, yet be patient, they can do anything the rest of the world can do.
There's Marilee's pulling olive loaves, Stephen is scooping macaroons, and at the front, there's Lera taking care of the customers.
Helping to see what they want and what they like.
There are half a dozen employees here, along with employment specialists, to assist them. Every morning, they get up early, come here, and bake. But what are they cooking up? Well, that is a lot more than just some sweet treats.
It starts out hard, but once you get used to it, it goes easy.
They don't want to just stand there. They want to be part of the whole mission, and they are.
From the cake pops to the poppy seed Danish to the pinoli cookies, Lera and her coworkers are developing a business model and entrepreneurs who aren't held back by a disability.
If you can make it, then you can bake it.
Never give up, indeed. Love Lera Bakery is open Wednesday through Sunday. In North Haven for Foodie Friday, I'm Matt Scott, Fox 61 News.